Imagine a world where hospitals are almost empty, chronic diseases are a thing of the past, and people live longer, healthier lives with minimal medical intervention. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that a single scientific breakthrough has the potential to replace our entire medical system as we know it? This is not just speculation. Emerging research in fields like regenerative medicine, artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and quantum biology is revealing groundbreaking insights into how we can fundamentally alter our approach to health and disease. In this video, we will explore how one transformative discovery, let's call it the one thing, could revolutionize modern medicine, making invasive surgeries, expensive drugs, and prolonged hospital stays obsolete. To make this journey engaging, we will follow the story of Alex, a 45-year-old software engineer diagnosed with a degenerative disease. His life was set on a path of suffering, until he discovered the one thing. Through Alex's experience, we'll dive deep into the science behind this breakthrough and its implications for humanity. Chapter 1. The crisis of modern medicine. For centuries, medicine has been reactive rather than proactive. The current healthcare system is burdened by chronic illnesses, skyrocketing costs, and treatments that often manage symptoms rather than curing diseases. Consider this. Over 60% of adults in developed nations suffer from at least one chronic disease. The global pharmaceutical industry is valued at over $1.2 trillion, but many drugs only offer temporary relief. Healthcare costs are rising, yet life expectancy is plateauing in many countries. Alex's story begins here. Diagnosed with a degenerative nerve disorder, he faces a lifetime of expensive treatments, physical therapy, and eventual loss of mobility. His doctors offer little hope beyond symptom management. But what if there was another way? Chapter 2. The discovery of the one thing. Scientific breakthroughs often start with a single, curious question. In this case, it was posed by Dr. Eleanor Hayes, a molecular biologist studying cellular regeneration. Her research led to an astonishing revelation. The human body has an untapped ability to repair itself far beyond what we previously believed. Through cutting-edge studies on regenerative medicine, stem cells, tissue engineering, and organ regeneration, genetic reprogramming, CRISPR and gene therapy unlocking longevity genes, quantum biology, understanding how subatomic particles influence cellular health, Dr. Hayes discovered a method to trigger the body's natural regenerative mechanisms, effectively reversing many chronic diseases. When Alex stumbles upon her research, he decides to become a part of the experimental trials. Chapter 3. The science behind the transformation. To understand how the one thing works, let's break down its core scientific principles. Cellular regeneration. Unlike traditional medicine, which treats symptoms, this breakthrough enables cells to regenerate and heal damaged tissues naturally. Epigenetic reprogramming. By switching on specific genes associated with longevity and disease resistance, the body can effectively turn back the clock on aging. Neural and immune optimization. Utilizing AI-driven personalized medicine, treatments can be tailored to each individual's genetic and epigenetic profile. For Alex, this meant that within months of starting the therapy, his nerve degeneration slowed, then stopped. By the end of a year, his body had begun repairing itself. Chapter 4. The disruption of the medical industry. With a treatment that eliminates the need for lifelong medication and surgeries, the implications are enormous. Pharmaceutical companies face a paradigm shift as demand for drugs plummets. Hospitals evolve into wellness centers focused on prevention rather than treatment. Medical professionals shift from crisis intervention to health optimization. Of course, not everyone is happy. The multi-trillion-dollar medical industry sees the one thing as a threat to its business model, leading to regulatory battles, misinformation campaigns, and ethical debates. Chapter 5. A new era of health and longevity. Alex is now a living testament to what's possible. He's not just surviving, he's thriving. More importantly, millions around the world begin to adopt this new approach, leading to extended lifespans, humans regularly living beyond 120 years in peak health. Reduced disease burden. Chronic conditions like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart disease becoming rare. A shift in human potential. With less focus on disease management, society can redirect resources toward innovation, exploration, and self-improvement. Conclusion. The future is now. The story of Alex is not just theoretical. The science behind the one thing is real, and research is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. We stand on the brink of a revolution that could redefine medicine and human health forever. The question is, are we ready to embrace it? As we move forward, it's up to individuals, policymakers, and the medical community to navigate this transformation responsibly. But one thing is clear, our understanding of health and healing will never be the same again. What do you think? Are you ready for a future without hospitals and chronic disease? Let's discuss in the comments below.